We have an update to the HBCU story we told you about regarding Tuskegee University basketball coach Benjy Taylor being handcuffed at a game between Tuskegee and Morehouse. So, joining us to discuss Black men in sports leadership is civil rights attorney and the former president of the Georgia NAACP. Welcome, Gerald Griggs.
Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. Thank you for taking the time.
Anytime, anytime.
So I know we don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna get straight to it. For our viewers that don't know, can you give us a brief update as you are one of the attorneys representing the coach from Tuskegee? Can you give us an update or a brief overview of what actually happened at that basketball game?
Yeah, so Coach Taylor was coaching college basketball, his team at Tuskegee. They were playing Morehouse. They ultimately lost the game, but several football players were on the baseline heckling and trying to get engaged with the basketball team, and then ultimately got into the handshake line. And so Coach Taylor, knowing the rules of the conference, you cannot have contact with athletes while they're playing, went over to the security, which turned out to be a on-duty police officer, and told him about the conference rules. He was expecting that they would move the football players out of the handshake line, but ultimately he was detained and handcuffed and taken into a rear room. And so we have been retained, myself and Harry Daniels and a couple other attorneys, to represent Benjy in the unlawful detention that happened to him on Morehouse's campus last Saturday. And so we've reached out to Morehouse, are waiting a response to them because of the violation of our client's rights and the unlawful detention. So that's the update.